Hey guys, so today I'll be doing some coconut curry shrimp. So here I've had my shrimp. These are peeled, deveined, and washed. I am now seasoning my shrimp. I added some fish seasoning. I'm now going in with some salt. There you go, some minced garlic. I love to cook with garlic, and of course, or scotch bonnet pepper. It's very important for any Jamaican curry. The curry powder I'll be using today is Grace's curry powder. This curry powder is perfect for seafood. It's not too heavy, it's not too dark. So I'm adding about a teaspoon of my curry powder and I'm going to mix this in nicely. I'm now going to add some olive oil to my skillet and I'm also going to add some butter. I always choose to use olive oil whenever I'm doing seafood, and the butter just gives any seafood a nice flavor. So I want to get that butter melted before adding the rest of our seasonings. So the first thing I'll be adding, which is very important, is my shredded or grated ginger. Ginger makes, for me, boy, I don't even know what to say. I'm going in now with some garlic, two of my favorite seasonings to use, and I just want to saute this nicely to get all that flavor, the aroma just blended nicely in our butter and olive oil. I'm now going to add some more scotch bonnet pepper. It's completely up to you how hot you want your shrimp to be. I'm now going in with some onions. This smells absolutely amazing. I wish you guys could smell this, the mixture of the garlic, the ginger, the onions. Oh my gosh. Now I'm going in with some sweet peppers, and I usually add my sweet pepper to my pot lastly because I don't want them to sag. Alright, so I'm now going to add my seasoned shrimp. Look at those babies. Right guys, so the next thing I'll be adding is my coconut milk. I used the powdered coconut milk here, and I'm going in with about a quarter cup of coconut milk. And again, this depends completely on you, how much coconut flavor you want to add to your shrimp. And also bear in mind that shrimp takes about 5 to 6 minutes to be cooked, so we do not want to overcook our shrimp. I am now going to add some cornstarch to my pot. That's going to give my sauce that right amount of body that I'm looking for. And I've also added a few stalks of lime leaves. So I want to mix this up nicely and allow this to boil, come to a boil. And once the sauce is thickened, then we can turn our stove off and it's ready to be served. And when I tell you, say this smells so heavenly, just believe me, and the taste is absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this video, then there's so much more on here for you to watch and learn from my cooking. Please do sure remember to subscribe to my channel, tell a friend, like, leave a comment.